I'm from the company EA Italy, and we have a wonderful partnership with Riello. We work with Riello very often. We're also very much impressed now during the show to see the stand of Riello. Since Riello is a company from Italy and I'm also from Italy, I'm really proud to see that Riello was growing so much.
Their stand was the busiest, it was open, it was bright. Everyone in Riello was always friendly, welcoming when you go and see them, and their technology is second to none.
Really good stand, quite interactive with your products actually shown, which was nice. Great to have things you can touch and feel, and that's one of the things I look forward to when I go into Data Center World.
The wine was flowing, the conversation was flowing, and the location is fantastic. And it's great to see the new UPS being launched as well.
I'm Chris, I'm from Critical Power Supplies. So Riello is probably our perfect partner. If I need anything, I know that I can phone up some of the team, and it's just that level of support and really the promise that we're keeping with our customers. I know that Riello are going to back it up. We're the professionals, they're the professionals behind us.